Yeah, y'all, so yesterday was a bust. This is obviously the next day. As you can see, the sun is out, shining bright, and it was getting dark at that time. But yeah, it was a bust, man, you know, but it was worth a try. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely getting closer. I'm definitely getting closer. And you know, like I said, we're gonna keep this thing going until we get them back, because I'm gonna get them back. I'm gonna get them back. I'm on a mission. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now is utilize the art of technology. And I'm gonna see if I can, oh man. I'm gonna see if I could, well, I gotta do some dirty New York stuff right now. But yeah, I gotta see if I could, you know, utilize these tracking devices. And hopefully they have some tracking devices on them. And that'll make my job a lot easier. Let's see. Keep y'all fingers crossed for me, y'all. This could be big, or it could be a flop. Okay, so they couldn't directly help me, but at least he pointed me in the right direction. And it's an app called Uconnect, but there's also a number that I can call to see if they will help me out. And hopefully the number that I call, they can help me out first. And I'm trying to keep the police out of this, but you know, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. But I think I'll be able to get this done without their help. So the next one is Ford. Let's see what they say. Well, that was a dead end, because apparently as of January 1st, 2022, they stopped, for privacy reasons, they stopped, you know, putting trackers in cars. You know, some new privacy act, so that one was a bust. So back to the old school way of, you know, just looking, just beating the streets. So again, a dead lead. You cannot track a vehicle unless you set it up in the vehicle, which I made the mistake of not setting it up from the beginning. I should have done that from the beginning, but I did not. So, man, yeah, I'm stuck right now. I got to start beating the street, you know, and make some calls from, you know, make some calls to some people who dwell in dark places. All right, so a couple of days later, the motorcycle's still here at my shop. So, being that AAA does not want to come pick it up, and they keep making excuses, I got some Fix-A-Flat, and we're going to take a chance, and we're going to fill the tire up with Fix-A-Flat, and I'm going to try to ride it to my boy Gary's shop, Speed Demon Motorcycles. All right, so we still got this big old screw in here, and I got to make sure all of the air is out so we can put in the Fix-A-Flat. And then I got to get out of here right away before it starts running out. All right, y'all, let's hope this Fix-A-Flat holds. because it's a few miles away and your boy's still riding dirty. At least she starts up. All right, let's not waste no more time. Let's get out of here. Nope. I'm probably like halfway there and it did not make it. See that? But we going anyway, y'all. I'm halfway there, man. I might as well try to keep going. Man, I done got lost on a flat freaking tire. I done got lost. Let me check the navigation, man. You can't make this up. Can't make it up. So I got all the way over here and then clutched out. See the red writing right there? That's where I'm going. This tire is about to come off at this point.
Oh shit, you right here with the bank was flat.
Yeah.
Like a big old fucking screw in.
Uh-huh. Got wedged in there even more. But you said these are the wrong size tires on this bike anyway, right? This one and the Yamaha?
The front was the wrong size.
Well, we'll correct all that now, I'm sure.
You should get some big tires on the front and rear.
Yeah.
You want good tires or average tires?
Look, we're going to do the same thing. You do what you do.
I've got average tires and they're about $250 for a set.
Do what you do. Just call me when they're ready.
Or you can get the ones that are like $400 for a set. I mean, for the amount you ride it, I would put the cheaper ones just because you fucking never ride it.
That's true.
They'll probably be too old before you ride it.
That is true.
So, I wouldn't spend $500-600.
This is true. Good point.
If that's the case, if you wait an hour, I can put tires on you to ride home.
I don't want it now.
Because the way that my bank account is set up.
Yeah, this is fine.
All right.
It's right up there.
And there you go.
Thanks a lot, man.
Of course, you have a great rest of your day.
All right, you too. Wow. Hey, Miss Leslie. How are you? Good. Yeah, that was a hell of a ride. It's a hell of a ride. For a moment there, I didn't think I was going to make it back. Yeah, I think I need a GoPro. You guys had to see exactly what I was going through at the very time that I was going through it. I seriously thought that back tire was about to come off at any second. But I could not stop and try to call AAA again because I knew they weren't going to come, or I'd still be sitting there now 2-3 hours later. So my best option was, I knew I was within the vicinity, which was like a mile away, so I just had to go for it, and finally got there. But I'm so tired and beat up now. I'm gonna end this one right here. Thanks for tuning in. I'm tired, I'm hot, and I'm tired. But on that note, again, I'm out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Who loves you, baby?